Hello, I'm Mark Drakeford and I'm the Chair of the National Assembly's Health and Social Care Committee. The committee has embarked on 2 inquiries, which we're beginning over the summer and will continue into the autumn. The first is an inquiry into services which help to prevent strokes from happening. Stroke services happen right across Wales, and we want to see what we can do to make them better for people wherever they happen to live. Our second inquiry is going to be into community pharmacy. Pharmacists are really important in all parts of Wales and already provide a whole range of services. We think they may be able to do more and to contribute an extra level of service to what health and social care services in Wales already provide. Now, in all this, your views and experiences are really important. The committee is very keen to hear the voice and views of people in any part of Wales who have things that you might want to say to us from your experience or experience of knowing someone else who's used these services, either in stroke or in pharmacy, which will help to inform our inquiries. You can send those views to us at any time over the summer or into the autumn at the address that you can see on this video, and we look forward very much to hearing from as many of you as possible who are able to take part.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.